Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving deep into what is arguably the best Leica camera you can get your hands on, the Leica M11 digital rangefinder camera in silver. With cutting-edge image quality, premium craftsmanship, and a design that respects its heritage while embracing the future, the M11 represents the pinnacle of Leica's digital M series. If you're a photography enthusiast or a professional who values quality over compromise, stay with me as we explore what makes this camera truly exceptional. Right out of the box, the Leica M11 stuns with its classic rangefinder styling. The silver version is a timeless nod to Leica's heritage, built from solid brass and magnesium alloy. You can feel the precision engineering in your hands. It has that unmistakable M-series charm, minimalist yet purposeful. Despite its solid metal construction, it's surprisingly lightweight and well-balanced. The simplicity of its controls, with tactile dials and buttons, reinforces a shooting experience that keeps you focused on the moment rather than lost in menus. Under the hood, the Leica M11 features a full-frame 60-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor. This sensor is custom-designed for the M system and it delivers astonishing resolution, dynamic range, and low-light performance. This camera isn't just about sharpness, it's about rendering soul in every frame. What makes the M11 unique is how it combines digital sophistication with an analog heart. There's no autofocus here, it's manual focus all the way. But once you get the hang of rangefinder focusing, it becomes intuitive, almost meditative. The rear display is a bright 2.95-inch touchscreen, and it complements the traditional optical viewfinder beautifully. Inside, Leica's Maestro 3 image processor keeps everything snappy and responsive. The M11 also introduces internal storage, 64 GB, which is perfect for those who forget their SD card or want to shoot discreetly. Battery life is another huge win. It offers up to 700 shots with the optical viewfinder, and over 1,700 when using live view thanks to its power-efficient design. Despite its classic feel, the Leica M11 is fully modern. It supports USB-C charging and data transfer, has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi built in, and works seamlessly with the Leica Photos app. You can shoot tethered, transfer images wirelessly, or control the camera remotely. It also features an electronic shutter with speeds up to 1/16,000th, allowing you to shoot wide open even in harsh daylight without needing ND filters. That's a huge leap for rangefinder photography and opens creative doors like never before. Absolutely. If you're someone who values craftsmanship, character, and uncompromising image quality. It's not for everyone, but for the discerning shooter who wants a pure, immersive experience with a tool that feels more like an extension of their eye than a gadget, the M11 is in a league of its own. That's why we call it the best Leica camera ever made. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. This is Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next one.